You already know what time it is, guys. It is episode 4 of my custom deck building extravaganza. So if you're watching this on the main channel or on this channel, welcome back. This is episode 4 now. So if you didn't see the first 3 episodes, make sure you check those out. But just in case, though, I will kind of explain how this is going to go down. So the way it works is simple. I'll be spinning this wheel that has the names of subscribers that are subscribed to this channel, Marcus the Low Vision Snap Player, and also my main channel, which, by the way, I will also be posting this video as well as some of the others on the main channel as well. So it's not just exclusive to the second channel. But so far we've made 3 custom decks. And we've got 8 more left. Once we've finished spinning this wheel, we're then going to spin a whole bunch of these other wheels, starting with the 1-cost cards, all the way up to 6. And we'll be spinning them twice. Once that it's all said and done, I'll go through the deck and pick 3 cards to do respins for. And then once that's all said and done, I'll look at the deck one more time, and if I need to make any other minor changes, I will go ahead and do that. So let's get on with the spinnery. And yes, I did go ahead and get the actual... I did go ahead and kind of create a new deck, like a new slate, while I was out and about in preparation for this vid. So let me go ahead and load that up. Although, yeah, my phone's at 15. Probably should have waited for this while I was a little bit charged up, but that's okay. We'll still make it work. Come on, Marvel Snap, don't do this to me now. Okay, let's just move on here. Let's just move on. And let's see who... Oops. Come on, Snap. There you go. That's better. And boom. Okay, there we go. So, if we go over here... Bam! Clean slate. Now let's get to this first wheel and see who will be receiving the 4th custom deck. Edit low, Brad IT. So Brad IT, if you're seeing this, thank you for subscribing. Let me go ahead and add. Your name to the list or onto the deck to make sure. Let me go ahead and add your name to the deck title. That's kind of like a label and such. So, oops, hold on. Sorry about that. BRA. And then I think it was IT. Okay. There we go. Now that we've got the name all figured out, let me go ahead and hide your slice, which now means we're down to 7 decks. Now we're going to go ahead to the first 1-cost wheel and see what 1-cost cards you will be getting. And it looks like your first 1-cost card is going to be... 0. Okay. This can either go good or bad depending on what other cards we get. Hopefully it's not a lot of like ongoing stuff though. So 0, hold on. 0, if I'm not mistaken, is going to be a 1-cost. And I think it's an ongoing, right? Oh no, was it on reveal? Probably was on reveal. 0, here we go. Yeah, remove the abilities for the next card you play. So we'll go ahead and add that as your first oneer. Next up, your next 1-cost card is going to be... Loki. Okay. interesting. So we'll go ahead and grab a Loki right here. Perfect. Zero and Loki. Interesting 1-cost cards. Next up is the 2-cost wheel. Let's see who your first 2-cost card is going to be. Dazzler. Okay. So your first 2-cost card will be... Actually, to make it easier, I'll go based off archetype. Boom, there it is. Dazzler. And now, who will be your third... your second 2-cost card, and it is Black Swan. Okay. So far, this is turning out to be a very random deck. Black Swan, I think, is an activate, but I don't think they have any keywords for activate, so that means I'm just going to have to search for her manually. Yeah, this deck's kind of all over the place, guys. Hopefully, we can get some good synergy. Where's Black Swan at? What power, at least? Because they don't have any, like, Oh, there she is. Right here, next to Cobra. Boom! Those are the 2s. And now we're on to the 3s. Who will be your first 3-cost card, Brad? Let's see. Oh, interesting. Spider-Punk. Okay. I haven't used this card in a minute, so it'll be kind of fun to mess around with this. I think as far as respins goes, the one that I probably might respin for is Pro, but we're not quite there yet. Spider-Punk is going to be a move card, I think. Where is he? There he is. Spider-Punk. Spider-Punk. Nice. And now we'll go ahead and give the wheel another spin. And it looks like... Ooh, can we get a move card? Frigga. Okay. So we got Spider-Punk and Frigga. This deck is completely going off the walls, man. Like, this is kind of insane. But maybe it might actually be good. I wouldn't underestimate this yet. Although, to be fair, the last couple of decks that I made did not really turn out that great. But we'll see. We'll see what this gets us to. On to the 4-cost cards. Card number 4. Well, card number 1, I should say. Ares. Ooh, that's a good one. Again, that's another one I hardly ever use. This is kind of good because it is getting me to use a bunch of cards that I normally wouldn't play in my playthroughs. So this is really good. So Ares, and hopefully we can get a move card. Oh, Warpath. Ah, okay. So this benefits off of locations that are empty, so that's really good. But not a lot of move stuff though. But I guess in a way though that could be good. With no, because Spider-Punk can only be moved once. So I guess I really don't need too much. What was it? Warpath? I think is it ongoing? A 4-cost ongoing card? Yes. Right here. Boom. Okay. This deck is definitely a bit crazy. Here we go. 5 costs. I gotta fix that. Oh! Arrow. Okay, that's another move card. Although, I do think we're gonna need... Yeah, because Arrow is good, but I think we just need another component that can move. Let me see. On reveal, the last card your opponent played moves to this location. Oh, okay, so it's not really... Okay, on reveal, the last card your opponent played moves to this location. Okay, I see now. Yeah, this is one I haven't even touched at all, so this is pretty good. So we got Arrow as the first 5er, And then your second fiver, hopefully it's something good. It is going to be... Oh, the Hellions actually good. Okay, so that's another move card. So we kind of already have our move synergy here. Next turn, you can move cards into this location. So that's actually kind of good, y'all, because then with that Spider-Punk, I can move him one more time. So that's actually really good. We got a little bit of a synergy going. So I don't really think I might need to make much changes or respins other than I think the 0 is the only questionable one. But now let's see what we get for the 6s. Imagine if we get Galactus. Oh, man. Imagine how insane that would be. Hold on. Nope. Wrong wheel. Y'all. Imagine getting Galactus. That would be crazy. And... Sasquatch. Okay. I think we got him in the last deck, too. But that's still good, though. That's a really good pick. For reducing... Oh, Heimdall would be so nice right now. A Heimdall would be absolutely awesome. But I can't really choose... Oh, well, I probably might, depending on if the last 6-cost card is questionable. But it probably won't. It probably won't be, but we gotta at least hope we can get something good here. So, here it is, y'all. The final 6-cost card before the respins and all that. Oh! So close to the Heimdall. We just passed him. Odin. I mean, listen. Odin is pretty solid, but... Although, now that I think about it... Hold on. Let me rethink this real quick. Because I do think that... It's not like we're playing a lot of move card stuff in it. Because all I really have is what? The... Hellion... Because Spider-Punk, we can just move him once, play the Hellion, and then move him back. So, this isn't like a heavy move deck, right? So, I feel like this could probably be not too shabby. Now, as far as the respin stuff, I think the Loki... What does Loki do? Replace your deck... Replace your deck with opponents... With your opponent's starting deck. Give those -1 costs. Okay, one thing is for sure, we're gonna respin the 0. Because that's just like a bad... That's just like a bad mix there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the first respin on 0. Hopefully we can get a Ghost Spider. That would be pretty good. Oh, we were there. You gotta be kidding me. Nope, we're doing another respin. Nope, I'm not re-adding 0, man. No. That defeats the whole purpose of it. One more time. Okay. No, yeah. No. I mean, we'll add it, but I'm gonna replace it anyways. Yeah, no. I think I'm just gonna add Ghost Spider just because. Yeah. There's no destroy synergy. That's a terrible respin. Unless I use them all on just the ones, but no. I think I'm already just gonna make my first major change and just add Ghost Spider in there, or even Web Sling. I'll probably even just do that, frig it. Yeah, I'll just add Web Sling in here to add a little bit more synergy. I think the rest of the deck is looking fine. I guess the only one that I'm not really too crazy about either is maybe the Odin. Because, I mean, with Frigate, we're already getting a copy of another card, so Odin kind of doesn't really feel necessary. But yeah, I already made my first change. Even though I spun the wheel, Novo just wouldn't really fit with this deck, so I just decided to add Web Slinger or Web Sling to it. So let's go ahead and respin for Odin. So this would technically be my second respin. Even though I did spin that first wheel a few times already, I didn't really count it because I already had 0. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of Odin. And let's see if we could try for another 6 cost that could possibly make the deck better. Let's see. No. No. One more respin. Oh, Blob is interesting. Okay, I can work with that. So, I'll you know what? I'll probably count those as the 2 respins there. Yeah. Maybe I'll count those as like my last 2 respins. So, all my respins are done. So, Blob. That's gonna make this deck a little bit interesting. But who knows? He might be able to come in clutch. Mr. Blob. I think he's a 1, right? Or 0. Yes. Bam! Blob. So, I think as far as like any other minor changes, I think this is looking good. I think this is it, y'all. I think I'm locking this in. Because I already used the first respin I used on 0. But then the other 2, I ended up using it for just the Odin, so here it is. Now, as far as like the whole cosmetic side of things, I think for this particular deck, I don't want to do it too similar. Do we have? I think I should have. I did recently get like a new Spider-Punk icon, so I can maybe go ahead and run that. Maybe we can do. Let's do this. Let's maybe have this Spider-Punk card back. Even though this isn't like a pure move deck, I think since it has Spider-Punk in it, we can go ahead and do that. And then for the extra backup card, I have a copy. Maybe I think I have a Loki icon too. Maybe. Or Electro for Slave, Thanos, Carter with an X, Hunger, Agony, Spider-Man, Luke Cage. Could use that other Spider-Punk. Well, I don't have a Heimdall. Okay, we get the Black Swan. That's perfect. Bam! There it is. So, yeah, this is a custom lineup so far. So, now that we've got that all said and done, let's go ahead and jump into our first match. I'll probably be doing at least like 3 at max. 2 to 3. Okay, hold on. Gotta make sure I'm using the right deck here, folks. Number 2, go over here. Okay, there we go. I almost jumped into a match with a completely different deck. Oh, yeah. What do you guys think about my, alliance name? I call it the Taco Nation, which, by the way, if you're looking for a Marvel Snap Alliance, check it out. But what do we got? We got Dazzler, Frigga, and Ares, and we also got Black Swan. I had a copy of the last card you played to your hand. We could do, because I mean we're already gonna get 2 different Dazzlers, but I think that could be kind of crazy. The Hellion. We're basically copying Dazzler again, but we already have 2 different clones. Could do Ares mid. I think that's the play here. I don't know what kind of deck they're running. It looks like they're going Destroy. So that could be... Ooh, Blob? Blob on 6? Can go... I think... No. No. I wanted to use Ares. We do Ares left. Hopefully we have enough power. Because it is going to compare power between my cards and my opponent. So hopefully... Yeah, I kind of figured. So it's fine. Yes! Okay, that's great. That's perfect, y'all. So what do we do this turn? I say we go maybe Sassy mid. What do we do Sassy left? I don't really think about it. Maybe the Dazzler wasn't ideal, but... We'll go with it. Because maybe there's a chance we might be able to fill out the other locations. Maybe that could be kind of clutch. But we put Sasquatch right. And then I'm thinking... Oh man, I got that freaking Marrow. Hopefully it doesn't hit the Sasquatch all that much. If not, we have the Ares too. Okay, yeah. So we do tie that. So now comes the big question of, do we run again? Or do we hit it with the Blob last turn? And just just try to secure right. I don't know. How much cards do I have on my deck right now? I have a total of 3. So I don't know if that would make too much sense. But maybe it'll come in clutch here? I could be wrong. I don't know. They are going mid, which is kind of concerning. Oh, freaking Venom. And they are probably going to have something else going. Freaking Marrow. God dang it. Ah, that was a loss, guys. Now that I think about it, this one... I'm saying a lot. I do apologize, but... Yeah, this cloning VATS location is going to be a problem. Yeah, because with the Frigga in play, it kind of makes that location more... It becomes more annoying than, like, actually helpful. So, first game, I took an L. Game number 2, hopefully it's a lot better. No one-cost cards this turn, which is not ideal. Okay, but we did get Loki, so that's good. Ooh, Feast. That's huge. So we could do this dude on 1. Dazzler on 2. Or we could do Spider-Punk on 3. Ooh, Symbiote? Dude, that's kind of huge. We could actually do something crazy with that. We can move him mid, and then we can play... We get their Surge. So that's pretty good. And then we can do Dazzler's Surge, or... Ooh, do we try to fill in left? Do we try to do that? I think we try to do that, y'all. We fill in the left location. I think that's the play here. We win mid, and then we move Spider-Punk right. I think that's the kicker. Miss Magic. Okay. Now the big thing is, do we do Symbiote there, or do we shut down this right location? Then do this. I don't know how this is gonna really help, but at least I can like secure up another location. And they're snapping at me. Not cool, man. Not cool. But at least I'll be able to get that extra. What is it? +3, right? So that's kind of huge. +3 max energy. So The more the better, and then we can move out. Ooh, Arnim Zola's freaking huge, man. Are you kidding me? Question is, does he copy? Oh, that would be so crazy if he copied. Hold on. This might be kind of a long shot. One of your other cards here. Does it copy? Oh, yo, imagine if this thing copies the freaking... Imagine if this thing copies the Spider-Punk, dog. That would be absolutely insane. That would be completely freaking broken. Although maybe I could have played the arrow, but that's okay. Come on. Come on, Spider-Punk. Come on, Arnim Zola. You gotta hit the You gotta hit the Arnim Zola. Come on, Arnim Zola. Yes! There you go. Bam! Alright. Yes, sir. And then we can do, since they both jumped right, we can move this one left. We can move it. Oh, no, wait. Oh, that's right, because you can only move them once. Oh, okay, that's fine. No, that's okay. Dude, that's still kind of huge, though. And then... But I don't want a Carnage, though. That wouldn't really make too much sense. But I think we seal this in, y'all. Do we try to symbiote with, like, the Surge? Your lowest cost, which would be either the Surge or the Dazzler. I think that's going to have to... Oh! They were running a Carnage! That was beautiful. We made their Carnage useless. Then we got the Shuri. Too bad the Shuri's going to be kind of pointless, but... We activate the symbiote. Maybe he triggers the... that, and then we can put Shuri left. And that's it, folks. I think we might take this one. Nope, he merges with the Dazzler, which, I mean, it's fine. But still would have been nice if he... Oh, no. Oh, boy. Please don't win this. Because I think he has a Nimrod in here, right? Ooh, hold on. Ooh, I don't know, guys. Oh, come on. No. Ah. Man, that Nimrod. 0 for 2, guys. Dang, I am really taking a beating, even off camera, guys. I haven't been able to rack up a good win. Jeez, man. Hold on, before one thing. Gotta go ahead and claim my credits. I do have a bunch of tokens that I'm saving up because I kind of want to open up a snap pack right now, but kind of waiting for tomorrow because that's when the new season starts. And I do actually have the season preview, but I'm gonna kind of wait to upload that until maybe later on after the series, or maybe I'll take a little break and upload that video next, and then we can continue this on. But we got Loki, Dazzler, and Ares. Now comes the big question of do we play Black Swan on Loki on 1? I think that's what we do. Ooh, that's kind of huge. +5, that's kind of huge. We play him. Oh, we play him in Madripoor. We leave the right location empty. Ooh, that's tempting though. Ooh, that's very, very tempting. Or do we maybe try to secure... Or now I guess the big question is, do we maybe go... low-key Warpath to close it out? And then help with Dazzler. Right, because I don't really care for the extra energy anyways. So... this is, I think, game 3, by the way. Because we already lost the first 2. Okay, no Spider-Punk this time, but we do get... and here's the question. Do we put Warpath mid? Or do we put him left? And then just like we do this... I think that might be the play here, because I'm not really trying to win. And plus, now that I think about it, we might even be losing. Ooh, Hellion's kind of tempting. Dazzler gets a little bit of power. Adamantium Infusion, that's kind of huge. We play the Ares there. We are going to lose a little bit of power from Warpath, but that's okay. We do still get a little bit from Dazzler, so as long as we still have enough to keep the power going. Orca, oof. Yeah, regardless, hold on. Oh, no power from the Ares. It's okay. Ooh. I mean, I guess we're not really playing Adamantium because we don't have anything destroyed. What does Zola really do for us? Because we're just bouncing around the 8-power Ares. Maybe in a sense that could be good, but I don't think we're gonna win. Oh, there it is. Although I do not think that's enough, guys. Oh, man. That is an L. And yeah, this deck did not turn out very good either, but that's okay because we still got plenty more custom decks to build, and I'm sure at least one of them will be an absolute banger. But I think I'm going to go ahead and end this episode there, guys. Hopefully you all enjoyed. Don't forget to like and sub. Stay tuned for episode 5, or part 5. I think it's gonna be. I think that episode could be the one, but yeah, I might release that season preview first for the new season coming out tomorrow called X-Men End of Days. So that'll probably be something I upload first and then get working on part 5. But yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. See you on the next one. Peace.